In a heartwarming display of community spirit, several organizations in Nagaland have stepped in to assist truckers stranded along the National Highway 29, the critical route connecting Dimapur to Kohima and Imphal in Manipur. This was after landslides and roadblocks left hundreds of trucks stuck for days and in some cases even months.
दूसरा टाइम सर खुला रहने से हम लोग गुवाहाटी से चल के मतलब तीसरा दिन पर हम लोग मणिपुर में खाली कर लेते थे, चौथा दिन चलते थे, पांचवा दिन गुवाहाटी सर पहुंच जाते थे। अभी सर 10-12 रोज यहीं पे हो गया, हम लोग क्या करेंगे? खाना पीना का भी सामान ख़त्म हो रहा है, पैसा भी ख़त्म हो रहा है और सर पानी पीने का मुहैया करावे रिक्वेस्ट है हमारे तरफ से।
वैसे तो हम 9-10 दिन में पहुंच जाता है, तो अब की बार तो हमारे पास 24वां दिन है।
Meanwhile, several local groups are providing the much needed relief to the drivers and their crew. Joining the efforts, the Nagaland Adventure Club or NAC embarked on a 2-day mission to distribute dry rations to the truckers stranded along the Dimapur-Kohima road at Zudza and Sechuzubza. On August 24, the NAC continued its outreach, ensuring that those stuck on the highway had access to basic necessities. Speaking to the media, NAC advisor Peter Rutsa said that Naga people are known for their generosity and several groups have joined in to provide a helping hand.
So I read in Morung Express about truckers paying 50 rupees for a bucket of water. That has to be verified. But when I read that, I thought if they are paying 50 rupees for a bucket of water, standard truckers, maybe they are paying more for other dry rations. So NSC, we have an official Facebook page. We decided and we posted because our club definitely, without doubt, has financial limitations. So when we asked for donors, people were very helpful, very forthcoming. It's still coming. So with that, with the help of our well-wishers and like-minded people, and with our own funds, we have started this initiative. So this is the day 2. Lots of organizations are also coming, thanks to the media, because I have said this earlier and I'll say it again. Charity is very contagious. So when the media, along with the NSC, makes it known to the people, people step forward. We Nagas are by nature very generous and very helpful. Even today, we came to know that even other organizations are coming. So I'm very sure, very positive in that if the landslide persists, in the next few days, lots of organizations will come forward to help our stranded truckers who are from very far away.
Meanwhile, at Mezoma village, where light vehicles are plying between Kohima and Dimapur, residents provided free tea and snacks as commuters are compelled to travel the route, which doubles the travel time. On Friday, the Kohima District Disaster Management Authority also distributed dry rations as relief to the stranded truckers at the Khuzama checkpost, which borders Manipur. Likewise, several other local groups have extended relief to stranded truckers as a massive landslide along the national highway cut off the Dimapur-Kohima link.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.